Okay, so off to a hike this morning, Grinnel Glacier viewpoint. It's supposed to be about a 10-11 mile round trip, and I'm fairly prepared. The one thing I forgot was breakfast, and I left the apples in the car. I was gonna bring an apple or two, and I left them in the car. But this is supposed to be like one of the most popular, most beautiful hikes here in Glacier National Park. I've asked quite a few people and everybody recommended it for photography. It's supposed to be amazing, so let's go see what we find. I set a timer to remind me to turn around in 3 hours. So I told Bambi I'd be back in 5 hours. And 11 miles, that's a good pace. I'm gonna stop for pictures and stuff. So 3 hours there, 2 hours back should be good. See the hotel back there? There? That's where I was last night with the bears. I tried doing this hike a few days ago, but the trail was closed due to grizzly bear activity, and I couldn't do it. But today is the last day in the park, and they opened the trail again, so this is awesome. I'm super excited. I don't think I've ever been up and close to a glacier, so this is gonna be really cool. Apparently a glacier, the difference between a glacier and packed snow is that glacier is solid ice. The pressure has been pushed down and pushing down until it makes a solid chunk of ice, where packed snow is just snow. There's a difference somehow. Quick detour. This looks awesome. Wow, that's an awesome picture. This is beautiful. Wow. The trail splits. You can go down that way to get to the lake, Grinnell Lake, or go up to the viewpoint. I'm going up, and hopefully on the way down I have enough time to go down and around and see the lake. I'm gonna start picking up the pace here a little bit because I don't want Bambi to leave me behind. I put my hat on because the sun is getting a little bright, and as you can see, it's protecting my face. Maybe in an hour or so when the sun's directly above. It's getting harder to breathe. The view is just breathtaking. I think I got about 2 miles left. I took a picture of the map, and it looks like 2 miles, all uphill. Whew. But the views and the scenery here are just amazing. This is awesome. I wish I could breathe, but this is awesome. So it looks like there's still bear in the area, at least one of them. And by the looks of it, a big one. I'm glad it's a busy trail and I'm not the only one, and other people have bear spray, because I forgot mine. Okay, now we're climbing. I was down there by the lake a little while ago. Oh, I wish I would have remembered breakfast this morning. It's windy. A nice cool breeze. Oh, it feels so good. It's been so hot. It's hard to believe it's the end of September. The rest of the trail looks like I got about a mile left. So close. 0.4 of a mile. The only thing we're missing are the polar bears. Every time you see stuff like this, there's polar bears. Haven't seen any yet. This is awesome. It's cold too. That water is freezing. Nice. Well worth the 2.5 hour hike. 5 miles each way. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to go to the lake. I want to. I don't think it's as much of a climb. I'm gonna take some pictures here and then head down and see what we do. I'll shut up and show you some video with some music or something if this is beautiful. I'll put the long lens on and try to focus on some of the details. So that was awesome. And now I only have 2 hours to do the 5 miles back. That's adding 30 minutes to go to the lake and back. So I got 2.5 hours to do 7 miles. I think I can do it. I swear sometimes my hair is like a phantom limb. I want to try to shake my hair and it's not there anymore. That water is ice cold. It feels so refreshing. Okay, that wasn't here on the way up. I'm gonna have to leave the lake hike for another day. I'm not prepared today and I didn't bring enough water and I'm running out of time. I took the wrong turn and went down the Josephine Lake. By the time I realized that I wasn't gonna have enough time, so I turned around and came back, and then I missed the sign for Grinnel Lake. So that just gives me another reason to come back in the future. I got about an hour to do 3 miles, so I gotta get going. And the reason I'm on a time crunch is because I want to go do a sunset at Goose Island, and that should be awesome today with the clouds. So I do need to hurry up. Oh, my feet need this. Oh, it's so cold. This water is like ice. Oh, it feels so good. I think this is just gorgeous. Look at this. All right, that's a quick detour. I have about a mile to go and just about 20 minutes, so I think I can do it. Oh. So I made it back in time, and there's no signs of Bambi. Oh, there she is. Perfect timing. Hi, Bambi. I made it. I made it. Oh, I don't think I need my hat anymore, so made it back to the Jeep. Here's the apple I was supposed to bring on a hike. Oh, no, that's awesome. Hold on. Okay. Big shout out to Lisa and Daniel for hooking me up with these little bear snacks. They kind of saved my life on the trail. Like I said, I didn't bring anything to eat. I didn't have breakfast. It was about 11.5 miles or something in there. I'll write it here. The elevation gain was brutal, but it was totally worth it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in the sunset that I'm going to be doing tonight, I'll leave a time lapse or something here at the end. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.